What's going on, guys? Colby here, back with another video. Today we got more of these surprise Presstine mystery things. $2 from Dollarama. I was at Dollarama, I saw them. It's like, you know what? Let's grab two of them, make a quick video. And yeah, see how it goes. These aren't as thick, so that means like there's no sleeves. I don't believe so. Okay, so you got a goalie pack, the 2000s, 1000-point club, 3 premium superstar special inserts or Hall of Famers. Let's do the goalies first. Hey, Sharks, I didn't realize that. I'm not gonna lie though, like, I'm not too familiar with that guy. Oh my god. Is that 2 of them? So you got Arturs Irby. Says he played in 94-95. I was not living, so that's why I don't know him. Olaf Kolze, he was pretty schnazzy guy. In 2009, and then another Arturs Irby. Butchering that name, I know. Didn't expect. This is the 1000-point club pack. Let's see who has 1,000 points. Mike McPhee, it's probably Brendan Shanahan, and Anton Strawman. This is in his like 6th season. And the next pack. In the 2000s. Got a black diamond Mike Green. I like the black diamond cards. Heroes and prospects, Frank oh my lord, Mahavlich. And a black diamond Buchanan. And now we got our premium stars and Hall of Famers and whatnot. Okay, oh, nice. Artifacts, Henrik Lundqvist. What year is that from? 2008, 2009. It's a really nice looking card. Aaron Ekblad from SP Authentic, and then Vasilevsky from SP Authentic. Very, that's from 1819 and then 1920. So that was boring. It was whatever, you know, it's $2. Like, I'm not gonna expect something crazy. Even though, like, I know the first time I did it, they were actually pretty nice. But, you know, I'm not gonna expect something crazy. So yeah, let's go to the next one. Plus, it's fun to just rip something that's not, like, super expensive. That's right. This one is a rookie pack, 1 guaranteed rookie card. Canadian team pack, 2010 to current, and just 5 trading cards. Let me do the 5. Braden Shen, Brett Hall, Ryan Kessler, Brendan Shanahan, and Derek, I want to say Roy. I feel like it's not Wall. I feel like it's Roy. But, you know, feel free to, you know, roast me in the comments. Alright, this one's a Canadian team thing. Hey, you got a, Senators. Coast to Coast Shabbat. Oh, that's actually a really nice card. Thomas Shabbat. And a Mark Stone, and then a Sylvian Turgeon. But I really like these card designs. Is that from 2019 OPC? I don't know, that's cool, I like that. Let's go to 2010 to current. Oh god, it's giving me trouble. It's time for the Skizzers. got Nicoletti, Ryan O'Reilly, and Artemi Panarin. 1920. This one's from 15-16. This one's from 2020. This Series 1? Yeah, Series 1. Alright, and let's see who our rookie is. Probably not someone like crazy. Are you kidding me? It didn't rip the way I wanted it. Let's see. Oh, here's our rookie. It's a Sami Niku. And then, what is this? Playoff 1995. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know. Got a Ron Sutter from what year is that? 94. And then Reinstrom. So our rookie is Sami Niku. Not a huge name, but yeah, it's not. I mean, rookie's a rookie. So yeah, not the greatest in comparison to the last one, but I'm not gonna complain. It cost me $4 to make this video. I didn't expect anything, so yeah. Let me just clean up my desk real quick. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that, and peace out.